So someone requested Guyanese potato balls or aloo balls. Grab your ingredients and come on in the kitchen. Let's get started. Alright, let's start by boiling our potatoes. Today I'll be using yellow potatoes. You want to boil these until tender. Now let's take a look at the rest of our ingredients. In this mortar I have some garlic, scallion, hot pepper, and parsley. I chop them fine and then pound it to release all the flavors. Here I'll be using all-purpose flour, 1 egg, some salt, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, complete seasoning, black pepper, and some cumin or jeera. You want to mash your potatoes to a nice smooth texture once they're done. And after that, you want to add your egg and the rest of your ingredients, which are your seasonings. You want to mix everything well to combine and set aside. Now you want to go ahead and form your little potato balls. You can form them as big or as small as you like. It's all about your personal preference. Once done, you want to coat them in that flour and then just set it aside and carry on with the same process until you're all done. Here I've been preheating some oil and I will go ahead and fry up my potato balls, a few at a time so I don't overcrowd the pot. And you want to fry these until they're nice and golden brown or to your desired color. Remember, they're already cooked, so it's just the outside. You want to get some color on them. Once they're done, remove, set aside, and carry on with the same process. Look how gorgeous they look. I can't wait to dig in. And here you have it, my version of Guyanese potato ball. These were so amazing. I did serve it with some hot mango sour and it was chef's kiss. Give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.